loves! Welcome back to another vlog! Last day in Portugal, so we have a full day to explore. At nawala ko pa yung aking sunglasses, B. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya nahulog. Kakaloka. Need ko pa naman din siya kasi yung sikat ng araw is masakit sa mata and may damage yung mata ko. Kakainis. Buti na lang nawala siya. Last part na ng ng trip natin. So, ilang days na lang pauwi na rin naman din kami sa Vancouver. But, yes, we are going to find our first stop coffee, breakfast, and then walk around the city. We are going to the other side kasi kahapon doon tayo sa may old, anong pangalan nun? Old elevator. So, ngayon, punta tayo sa mga may church, sabi ni Papa din. Nicolaus. Nicolaus. Ang cute ko. So, let's see kung may mahanap akong souvenir dito sa Portugal. Of course, souvenir is magnet, sardines. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know other one yet. Kung ano yung pwedeng bilhin. But yeah, of course, ang goal natin today is pasyal, kain. Alam mo yon, yung mga goals sa bakasyon. Kain, pasyal. We found our restaurant. Order lang kami ng food. Kain mga kalalabs, ito yung in-order ko. Half papaya na may mga strawberries and granolas. And then yan kay Papa Dave. Quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
May beans, may egg, may chorizo. Ayan, kain po. Alam niyo mga kalalabs, ngayon lang ako kumain ulit ng papaya na kalahati pa. Oh my God, ang laki. Pero masarap siya kasi meron siyang granola, meron siyang ibang fruits. So, it's good. Yummy. Kakabusog din pala to. Tapos na kami nag-breakfast mga kalalabs. Time to explore again. Punta tayo sa mga area kung saan makakita tayo ng mga churches. Maraming church. Alam nyo, ang sarap maglakad-lakad dito sa Portugal, dito sa Lisbon, kasi ang dami mong pwedeng makita talaga. Ngayon, magsasuffer ako sa sa sikat ng araw, for sure. Nawala ko kasi yung nakakainis. Ano ba yan? Titingin ako ng sunglasses kung may mabili ako. Mamaya kung makakabili pa ako. Tingnan natin. Nakabili ako ng sunglasses ko. Si Papa Dave ang pumili. Di ko alam kung okay ba siya. Sabi ni Papa Dave, okay daw. Mukha akong dragonfly. Ang pinipili ko yung item, pero sabi niya, yan na lang piliin mo, mas maganda. Mas okay sa buhok ko daw, sabi niya. Ano sa tingin niyo? Comment down below. Is Papa Dave a good advisor for my fashion?
It's the first time she ever listened to me about anything.
Oh, excuse me? I always listen to you. My gosh, you don't listen to me.
She does listen to me, so she can do the opposite.
You don't listen to me. I always listen to you.
Thanks.
Except with weird things.
Yeah, and everything's weird.
Yeah, everything's
Like
weird.
sometimes I just want to go see goats.
Yeah, so he want to see goats. In
I-
Africa, he want to bring me. I don't want to go. They're not my friend.
Swipe up and let me know if you guys would like to go to a goat farm in Africa and what kind of great, beautiful vacation that would be.
Papa
The
Dave's-
goat races. Sorry.
Goat race. Papa Dave's favorite animal is goat talaga.
Oh, let's go to that pink house and take a picture of you in the pink.
Oh yeah, look at that tiles, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Yung mga tiles na naman, oh. Cool. Okay, buti na lang. Nakabili ako ng sunglasses ko kasi hindi talaga kaya ng mata ko na maglakad ng ganito lang. So kahit umitim tayo, okay lang. Wag lang yung mata ko. Masyadong sikat ng araw. Wow. Not too hot. It's a good temperature. Kahit na malakas yung sikat ng araw. Para silang ano, para silang may fiesta dito. Everywhere you go, meron silang ganito. Dito sa ano, Lisbon. Oh, di ba ang ganda niyang tignan? Fiesta. Meron na namang naisip ang aking mahal na asawa. Ang sabi niya, let's party tonight.
To the gay party.
It's not.
What do you mean? It's rainbow.
Yeah, I know, but it's not. I think they have their own fiesta.
It's okay, baby. I can find a boyfriend. Yay!
Crazy ka, babe.
The Portuguese,
Wow, it's
they work
cool.
hard, but they play harder.
Yeah, true. True that, true
Oh,
that. Here, love, oh, there's more there. I don't know which way.
So do I.
Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Ang sabi ni Papa Dib kasi, punta kami dun sa mga church. Pero ito nadaanan namin. So buti na lang nadaanan namin to. Kasi it's look like festive. Yung parang festival talaga siya. Ganda ng mga kulay ng mga sinabit nilang ano, borloloy. The sky is very Mew. Mew na Mew. Ganda ng kulay ng ano, ng langit. Sobrang blue. Ito na yung hinihingal na tayo sa moment na ito. Dahil hagdan ang life nila dito sa Portugal. May gulay. Ganda ng view, mga kalalabs. Oh my God. So beautiful. May mga souvenir pa dito. May benta sila ng souvenir. So meron din silang ano, mga cruise ship dito. Ang laki ng barko na yan. Ayan, oh. That's the church. Wow. Baka tanungin nyo mga kalalabs kung anong pangalan ng area na to. It's called Alfalma. Yun yung pangalan niya. Puntahan nyo to pagpunta kayo dito sa Portugal, sa Lisbon. Maganda yung view. Pero you need to make sure na meron kayong mga dalang sombrero or sunglasses kasi mainit siya, especially summer. Sa mga ganitong month, hindi pa siya mainit. Okay pa siya. Like perfect. Kasi yung simoy ng hangin malamig pa. Wow. Looks sick, babe. Garlic,
Like this one.
I like that one too. Ah,
Oh, look at this for Nicole.
where?
You want
Palok.
You want palok?
Ang ganda nito, mga kalabs. Oh, this is a garlic and cheese. Parang, alam niyo yun? Yung pang kudkod. Ah, ube. Ube. Looks so beautiful. Mabibigat sila eh. Look, here.
Oh, those.
It's ube. Beautiful. Blue bay. Marami ka talagang mabibiling souvenir dito, mga kalabs. Ang kikit ng mga kulay. Kaya hindi kayo, kung love nyo mag-shopping, mag-collect ng mga anik-anik, then Portugal is good for you as well. May mga ano din sila dito eh. Parang to yung mga tote bag, tsaka crossbody bag. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan siya gawa. Kung gawa ba siya sa leather or something like that. Pero I think it's not leather. I-check ko kung anong material ng mga bag na yun. Kasi marami akong nakikita eh. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya pag may nadaanan tayo. Hindi ko alam kung gumagana yung ano na yan, paakyat dito. Kasi yung iba hindi siya gumagana, hindi na nila pinapagamit. Kasi merong ano dito, aksidente before. Hindi dito yun ha, dun sa kabila na area na may mga namatay. So, nakakasal. So, hindi ko alam kung gumagana yan, paakyat dito, pababa. Pero tingnan niyo yung view. So beautiful. Diba? Ang ganda yung tignan. Romantic. And the castle up there. Amazing. Pwede palang pumasok kahit walang bayad. So, ano ang utak mo? Ang utak ng lahat ay Wi-Fi. Yung mga brain natin, nagiging ganyan. Kasi, every time na pupunta tayo sa ibang lugar or kahit saan, laging iniisip natin, Wi-Fi, may Wi-Fi kayo? May Wi-Fi kayo? Look at this. Look at this graffiti, love. Paint. So beautiful. Looks like me. Looks like me daw. Pabalik na kami sa hotel, mga kalalabs. Pero I think we will find a place to get shop till you drop, yo. Joke lang. Shop till you drop. Oh my God. Paakyat. Ngayon nasa flat na tayo. Flat na lakaran. Doon, oh my God, lagi na lang tayong umaakyat. Pero okay siya pag mga halabs, yung after kang kumain, para ma-digest mo yung kinain mo, tapos kakain ka ulit, parang ganun. And by the way pala, dito sa Portugal, mga kalalabs, pagkakain kayo sa restaurant o kaya coffee shop, pwede kang mag-tip, pwedeng hindi. Hindi sila nag-aas ng tip dito. Hindi kagaya sa Vancouver.
Wow.
Vancouver always.
Look at this lineup. You know what this lineup
Line up for the...
for the old trams, because all the tourists wanted like the chance to ride on the tram, right?
Yeah. Tram.
So those are the old ones.
Okay, that's the old one.
You really want like the chance to ride on.
Oh, it's a long lineup.
That's right there. Look, and you get a coconut water.
Yeah. Anyway, ano ba yung sinasabi ko? About sa tip ng mga kalab sa Vancouver, like if even you're drinking just like a takeout coffee, they will ask you 15%, 20%. Pero here, it's a choice. If you wanna give a tip, it's up to you. But they
Nobody
don't.
expects it.
Yeah.
They don't even think about it.
Yeah.
They just say tap your card.
Yeah, tap your card.
So you don't even get a chance to tip, even if you're thinking you want to tip.
Mm.
But they just like tap your card. There's no prompt. There's nothing that says how much do you want to tip. It's just basically that's the price. They tip it and they walk
Yeah.
away because they're not even thinking about it.
Yeah.
And if you do tip, they just think you're American, and
Yeah.
they say thank you and they
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. But
They appreciate it, but then it's not like, like hindi mo kailangang magbigay. But of course, magbibigay ka kasi yun yung nakasanayan mo sa kung saan ka nakatira, di ba? But they don't really like expect you to give them tips. Kaya maganda yon. And then mura dito sa Portugal, napansin lang namin. So Papa Dib told me that this is the Europe cheapest country to visit.
Western Europe.
Western Europe, sorry. Kasi pagpunta ka ng Barcelona, Milan, Italy, and you go to France, Amsterdam, Switzerland, the most expensive place that we visited. So, yun. Punta kayo dito kasi here, if you love walking, then you can try to walk around and get tired in Portugal. Or food. Food is good here as well. So yung mga nagustuhan natin dito sa Lisbon, Portugal. Food. Because food is life. So gusto ko makakita ng ganyan. Umuwi na si Papa Dave, mga kalalabs. Nag-stop lang ako dito para bumili ng sandwich. And then, take out. Dalhin ko sa kanya para pati siya makatry, diba? Looking good. Sandwich. Hotel na tayo, mga kalalabs. And we got the sandwich. And then dito sa hotel namin, mga kalalabs, lagi silang may pa-free na egg tart. Mini egg tart. Ayan siya. Kumuha ako ng isa. And we will cut this one. Hati kami ni Papa Dave. Look at that. Sandwich. So hungry. Mag-alas 2 na kasi. Kaya parang gutom na mi. Okay. Hati kami ni Papa Dave. Lagay ko lang siya dito sa platito. Taran! There you go, love. Enjoy your sandwich.
Thank you.
Yummy. Kain po tayo, mga kalalas. Ito talaga yung paborito ko dito. Ito siya. 'Di ba? Sa Barcelona ay sobrang sarap. Very simple. Let's see, so good. What time is it? Almost 2 p.m. or 1:30 or? So good. Tapusin ko lang to. And then, try ako mag-edit ng vlog habang nagpapahinga. It's good, right? It's so tasty. Tasty to. Sobrang sarap. Time to go out ulit mga kalalabs. Going for dinner. Actually, kanina lumabas kami ni Papa Dave and bumili kami nung sardines. And then sabi ko, bili ako ng sardines, bibili na rin ako ng magnet. Tapos sabi niya, mamaya na lang, lalabas naman ulit tayo mamaya. So parang lumabas lang kami para magpahangin. And then bumalik ulit dito sa hotel. So ngayon, lalabas ulit kami kasi kakain kami ng dinner. It's already 4:36. And kailangan naming pumunta sa airport ng maaga tomorrow kasi sa immigration dito sa Portugal, it's a really, really long lineup. So sabi nila, dapat 3 hours. Is that 3 hours before our flight? You need to have, you need to have an extra time to, like, kasi baka mamaya ma-miss yung flight dahil nga ang haba daw ng dito sa Portugal, sa airport. Yung pila, just to, like, check-in mo i-check yung luggage mo, and then immigration, and then again, line up again to check your luggage to go inside the airport. So, kailangan talaga maaga. Actually, we always go to the airport early. Mas okay na yon kaysa naman, tayo, di ba? Ma-late tayo sa flight. And lagi ko yan sinasabi kay Papa, let's go early. Yeah, kasi kasi ito, yung timing niya, sometimes alanganin. So sabi ko dapat ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, tama, sabi niya. So natuto na siya na dapat kailangan maaga kaming punta ng airport. Kaya, that's what we're gonna do. Na ko na yung luggage ko, naayos ko na siya. Kasi chinek ko para mamaya, like, alam mo yun, pagbalik dito sa hotel, like, inayos ko na rin yung isusuot ko bukas para sa airport. Biyahe-biyahe. And then, yeah, it's all good. Yung last na lang na ini-impake ko is yung mga, alam niyo na, yung mga skincare, ganyan, yun yung mga last na ini-impake ko. Kasi madali lang naman. Lagay mo sa Ziploc and then, all good. And hindi ko lang alam kasi dito sa dito sa, pangalan nito dito sa Europe, stricto sila sa mga, liquid. Like, alam niyo, hindi siya pwedeng, hindi siya stricto, basta stricto sila. I-check nila yan, bubuksan nila yung luggage mo, papatanggal nila yung mga sobra doon sa Ziploc mo, parang ganun. Kasi na-experience na namin yan, ilang beses na. Kaya yung mga, hindi ko na kailangan, kunyari yung mga lotion na nakuha ko sa hotel, iiwan ko na siya dito. Parang ganun. Tapos inubos ko na rin yung mga lotion na nabili ko sa mga trip namin, yung sa China, ganyan. Kasi nag-dry yung skin ko, so kailangan ko ng extra lotion. And yung para sa buhok din na nabili ko. May papakita ako sa inyo, mga kalalabs. May nabili akong serum para sa hair. Kasi parang, dahil sa init ng araw, na-damage yung buhok ko. Yung dito sa, para siyang sunog. Ngayon, bumili ako nito. Ito tawag niya, Dove. Tayo lang. Ayan, Dove Amino Serum. Paano ito ginagamit? Kasi ginagamit ko siya after ako mag-shower, bago ko siya i-blow dry. Kasi, muntik nang nalaglag. Kasi sinearch ko siya. Sabi ko, okay, ilalagay muna to bago ka mag-hair dryer. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. Pero, ang lagkit sa buhok, tapos parang naninigas yung buhok ko dito. Sabi ko, parang di naman siya Kasi may mga nakita akong video sa TikTok na nire-recommend nila to, mabango daw siya. Hindi naman siya mabango. So, hindi ko alam kung mali yung nabili ko or something. Pero, I'm just sharing to all of you my experience with this one. Like, hindi siya okay. Like, dahil siguro may kulay yung hair ko. I don't know. It's just that, hindi siya okay. So, last na gamit ko na lang to bukas and then iiwan ko na lang siya dito. Kasi, I think, ipapatapon din na lang naman nila to. So, spray ko dyan sa buhok ko bukas. Hindi siya maganda sa hair. I don't know. Like, it's ano siya, yung parang sticky. Parang siyang lagkit-lagkit. So, yun lang. Na-share ko lang sa inyo. Okay? We will go. Let's eat because I'm hungry na ulit. Gutoms na me. Nakapag-edit ako ng vlog. That's good. I-upload ko na lang siya mamaya. Parang pagbalik ko dito sa hotel mamaya, mag-edit ulit ako. Tuloy-tuloy na yung upload ko. Si Papa Dave, I think may plan siya. Gusto niyang pumunta doon sa pinuntahan namin kaninang umaga, yung may mga borloloy. Gusto niya pumunta doon kasi sabi niya mayroong daw party doon, sinasama ako. Sabi ko, may nararamdaman ulit ako. Sabi ko, I think na ayokong ma-over yung sarili ko kasi na-hospital na ako sa Porto. Sabi kong ganun, alam mo yan, sabi kong ganun, pag nasobrahan ulit ako, baka matuluyan na may gosh. Natuluyan na nga ako doon. Akala ko hindi nga ako gagaling ng ilang days, pero buti na lang sa awa ng Diyos, naging okay naman yung pakiramdam ko. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, mas okay na yung, alam mo yon, yung advance ka mag-isip para hindi ka mapahamak. Sabi ko, ikaw na lang pumunta mag-isa. Hindi naman ako umiinom. Ikaw lang yung mahilig dyan. Sabi niya, okay. Hindi ko lang alam kung matutuloy siya kasi it's already 4:38. Okay, let's go? Okay, we'll go. May flea market sila mga kalalabs. Mahilig sila dito sa accessories. Tsaka mga tote bag na ganyan. T-shirt. Mga sabon. Sabon ba to? Oh, look at this, love. Di pala siya sabon. Souvenir. Na nasa bato. Oh, looks nice. Malapit na kami dun sa kakainan naming restaurant. Pero nadaanan namin tong flea market. Kulang talaga ang 2 araw dito sa Lisbon. Kailangan like 5 days, something like that, para mapasyalan nyo yung dapat yung pasyalan dito kasi ang laki niya. Tulad niyan, yung mga flea market pa sa mga mahilig mag-shopping ng mga expensive stuff. This place is big. So, you need a lot of time. Si Papa Dave, ang kulit-kulit. Ay! Kailangan talaga ng sunglasses.
I love hills.
Nandito na kami sa restaurant, mga kalalabs. Nakapag-order na kami ng food. Ang in-order namin, isda lahat. At saka rice. Yan si Papa Dave. Hi, guwapo. Hi, guwapo. Guwapo. Nagugutom na ako. Si Kuya nagbebenta ng sunglasses. Tapos kada bibentahan si Papa Dave ng sunglasses, sabi niya, you have collection. What collection you're talking about? Pasaway talaga to si Papa Dave. Sabi niya, collection? You have a lot of collection? No,
You have a lot of glasses. Wow. Showing them off.
Pasaway to si Papa Dave talaga. Ewan, sa'yo, babe. Ay, nako. Gutom na ako. Kanina pa kami nag-order. Nag-order din kami ng rice. Kasi kailangan ko ng rice. Rice is life. Namimiss ko nang magluto, mga kalalabs. Ang gusto kong kainin pag uwi sa bahay, gusto ko sinigang, sabaw. O kaya munggo. Yun yung gusto kong kainin. Miss ko na. Ready na tayong umuwi, mga kalalabs. Ready? Are you ready to go home? Are you ready to go home?
Can't wait.
I can't wait.
I love home. Home
Yeah.
is where the heart is.
We love, Papa Dave love traveling. We love traveling. Pero iba yung higa mo sa sarili mong higaan. Ewan ko sa'yo, babe.
Viral.
Si Papa Dave, hindi pa nga natatapos yung trip na to. Ano nang trip niya? Meron na siyang plan kaagad na, dito tayo pupunta. Sabi ko, ay, papahinga ako, B. Hindi ko kinaya yung power. Hindi ko kinaya yung travel mo.
Because in Canada, you can't do this. It's a duck massage.
Duck massage, look. Mga kalalabs, duck massage sa Vietnam. Kung ano-ano na.
You can't do that in Canada.
Wala, looks cool.
Yeah, it's so.
Actually, they didn't have a lot of ducks. You wanna try? Duck massage. Kung ano-ano na lang yung ginagawa natin mo. Kaloka. Duck massage. Ano kayang feeling nun? Kikilitiin ka niya. Fish lover ka ba? Iba't ibang klaseng isda. Oh my God, ang dami nito. Tapos yun yung rice. Oh, di ba? Let's enjoy our fish. Kain po.
Like my name is Mark Weens.
Mark Queens? What is that one? Is that oh no, what kind of fish is that? I think I'll try this one. This is, oh my God, this is big.
Oh.
Oh my God, this is a heaven for us. Kain po mga kalalabs. This is a vinegar. Lagay ako ng vinegar. Yummy, yeah. Kain po mga kalalabs. Kain tayo. I have salt and black pepper. Gutom much? Eat rice kay love. Kain po. This is good. This is happiness. Bili na tayo ng souvenir. Saan tayo bibili ng souvenir? Ang dami-daming souvenir shop. Okay, let's come here, love. Okay. Choose. Love. Choose. Hanap kami ng magnet.
Oh, I'll
Ang
tell you.
dami.
This one.
Looks nice. This
You
one.
got tiles and fish. Right?
True. How about this one?
This one's nice.
This one? Are you sure?
I like the tile ones because they're unique.
Yeah. How about this one? Here. This one is nice.
I like it.
Right?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, this one is nice. I like that. Everything is there.
True.
See? Oh, okay, kunin natin yan. And this one, maybe Portugal. Okay, this one. I got this one.
Wow, only €1. But I think they're lying. You know why?
Why?
Maybe. But maybe it's like, oh yeah, €1 is that one. And are they all €1? I don't know. Maybe.
Okay, let's
Maybe only
find
the
one
top
more.
ones.
One more.
Could be
One
wrong.
more.
This one's nice.
Ube. Ube.
So what?
So ito yung bag na sinasabi ko sa inyo mga kalalabs. Gawa pala to sa takip ng wine. Yun yung sabi ni Papa Dip. Ang galing, no? Nakakatuwa naman. But anyway, nakuha ko na yung aking magnet and we will go home now. Balik na tayo sa hotel. So, may kwento si Papa Dib. So, what happened, malab?
2 random ladies came to me, Portuguese. Like, can you tell me where the grocery store is?
Yes.
Now, first of all, if you're Portuguese, wouldn't you already? Why would you ask a tourist where the grocery store is?
True.
That's kind of weird. It's a
Yeah.
little bit of a red flag.
Yeah.
But I was like, I don't know. I'm not from here. And then they said, "Oh, do you want me to take your picture?" I'm like, huh? What do you mean? And they're like, "Oh, you have your phone. Do you want me to take your picture?" And I said, "Oh no, I'm drunk." And then they got confused and they walked away. But the thing is, we don't know what the scam is about. However,
Maybe if you
There's a
give
lot
them
of-
your phone, then they will steal your phone?
maybe, but I doubt it because I'm a man and they're 2 small girls and it'd be kind of, dangerous for them to, especially in public like that. What are they going to do? Outrun me?
Yeah.
Right? So that wouldn't be the scam. The scam
What is the scam?
probably
They
and I'm
will
not-
charge you?
maybe, or maybe they would say something like they would take the picture
Mm-hmm.
and it would be a stupid picture, but then they would say, "Oh, that's great. By the way, what are you doing tonight? Do you want to come to a bar? Do you want to come to a club? Let's go drinking. Or what, would you like a Portuguese meal? Where are you from? Something like that, right? And then you
Okay.
go and you sit down at the restaurant. This is very common in Turkey, actually.
Yeah.
And then you sit down at the restaurant with your new friends,
Yeah.
and everything seems great, but the menu maybe doesn't have any prices. And then all of a sudden, they come in a meal, and the meal is $300 for a
Yeah.
very basic fish, and that could have been a scam. That's a
Yeah.
very common scam in Europe.
Yeah, you need to be careful.
So yeah, I don't trust strangers.
What's going on, love? Day 1, we got almost,
There's a lot of, but no random
yeah.
Portuguese person
Well,
is
as-
going to come up to a tourist
Mhm.
and just randomly for no reason be like, "Hey, nice to meet you. Where are you from? Let's be best friends."
True.
It just doesn't really happen.
Yeah, basta ingat kayo mga kala, especially sa Europe. Ganun talaga. Madadali at madadali kayo kung hindi tayo mag-iingat. Back to our hotel, mga kalalap. That was a good dinner. Naubos namin ni Papa Di. Pero hindi ko na kinaya nung sa salmon na pero yung rice din namin naubos. Sobrang dami nun. Akala ko yung konti lang, yung 1 cup lang. Parang 2 cups yata yung binigay sa amin na rice. Included yon sa sa in-order namin na mga isda. That was crazy. Papa Dave got almost a scam. And by the way pala mga kalalaps dito, may mga nagbebenta ng ng mga bawal na gamot, ganun. Kaloka. Sabi niya, alam niyo, pag dumadaan si Papa Dave, why they always offer you that? Do you look like
I look like a tourist.
do you look like do you look like a smoker?
I was coming out of a.
Oh my God. Ha? Like, parang sabi ko ilang beses ka nang in-offer ng gano'n. Ay, gusto mo nito, gusto mo yan. Tapos hinahabol pa siya. Sabi ko, bakit? Mukha ka bang naninigarilyo? Hindi ka naman mukhang naninigarilyo ah. Kaloka. Kung dito, so that one, Bev, like, they can do that. They can do that. They will not gonna get in trouble selling it.
Well, they will, but that's why they're kind of secret.
But in Canada,
And I heard that it's I heard on YouTube or whatever that it's fake.
it's fake. Okay.
And so because there's anything to do with tourists is scams.
Mm.
If there's drugs available, it's a scam.
Mm.
If a beautiful lady just comes up and she all of a sudden loves you,
Mm.
you know what? It's a scam. Beautiful ladies don't come up to random guys. Do you go up to random guys?
Why you said it's beautiful? Are they beautiful?
Yeah, they can be. But you know what? It all just comes up. Oh, hey, how you doing? It's like there's something wrong. There's something going on.
Yeah.
Even if a guy, it's very common in Turkey actually. Turkey's it even happened to me.
Mm.
I don't follow them or whatever, but he's like, oh, hey brother, where you going? Oh yeah, no, I'm a tourist also. Yep, from Poland. Let's go to this bar. We'll have a drink. Yeah, right. We're gonna go on Reddit and check, and everybody's like, I almost died. Or the people in Japan.
Mm.
Nobody talks to you in Japan. You are invisible.
Yeah.
You are 100% ignored. But if some random guy from Nigeria comes up, he's like, hey buddy, how you doing? Hey, yeah, I got a friend who owns a bar. Why would you trust him? Go to your own bar. You don't need to follow some random dude.
True. Kaya mag-ingat kayo mga kalalabs. Kasi sometimes they will come up to you and ask a question. Kasi madalas yun meron yung ganun. Kaya mag-ingat kayo kasi, alam niyo na, mas okay na yung, mas maingat. Sabihin niyo no English. Alam niyo? Sama-sama no. Do you know where is this blah blah blah? No English. Ayaw mo nang tumulong kasi natatakot ka na. Baka ma-scam ka or malay nyo, di ba? Ma-hypnotize kayo tapos bigla na lang kayo sumama. Meron yun Anyway, mag-end na rin ako ng vlog mga kalalabs kasi ako po ay mag-iimpake na, magsha-shower. Si Papa Dave may plan siya, pupunta siya dun sa lugar na pinuntahan namin kanina kasi mayroon daw mga kaganapan doon. So sabi ko, okay, you can go. Ako talaga hindi na kasi mas pipiliin ko na lang yung magpahinga. Kasi alam niyo yun, parang iba yung pakiramdam ko kanina Buti nga naging parang sumigla ako nung mga around 4 or like around 4:30, something like that. Sabi ko, ay, okay yung pakiramdam ko. Pero nung after kasi kaming namasyal ni Papa Dave doon sa may doon sa pinuntahan natin kaninang umaga, parang may nararamdaman ako. Sabi ko, parang ang weird. Parang ganun. So, sabi ko sa kanya, pag babalik ka dito, mamayang gabi din ako sasama kasi parang may nararamdaman ako. Kaya, natatakot ako kasi na-hospital nga ako, diba? So, parang sabi ko, ayokong baka mamaya maulit-ulit na over na naman ako. So, ayaw mo naman na ganun yung mangyari. And we're ready to go home. And after ng siguro mga 2 days na pahinga pag uwi, kailangan akong magpunta ng doctor kasi may ipapacheck kami para masigurado. So, ayun. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Sana po ay na-enjoy nyo yung ating Portugal vlog. So, hindi man tayo nakapag-vlog masyado sa Porto, pero bumawi naman tayo dito sa sa Lisbon. So, okay na rin, 'di ba? Mas na-enjoy ko rin naman din dito sa Lisbon. So, ayun na po yung vlog. I love you all. Stay safe, mga kalabs. Thank you all for watching again. Bye-bye!